Are you fucking kidding me? Ike Eveland! Ike Eveland! Oh my god, who put that saw there? Of course it's Ike!
The point of this game is to make it to the goal yourself, but not let others make it.
Yeah, like make it hard enough to the point where you think that you can do it, but not that your opponents will.
Yeah, so... Which is kind of hard to
I
do
don't
when
know.
Ike Eveland
Yeah.
is playing.
Oh
What's
yeah,
that supposed to mean?
The platforming expert Ike Eveland. It's like crab game.
It's like when you get that
Wait.
clock in like Smash Bros.
Oh my god, Ike, you are so evil putting
Wait,
it
that's
there
not
where
gonna work.
everyone else
Oh, it does
passes.
work! It does work!
Ike! Okay.
Shoot, you're
What do
not
I
helping.
do? How are we gonna get through this one?
You're just game.
What? How? How?
I will
I
never.
kind of want to. No,
Oh, it
wait,
doesn't
my
even matter.
god, Ike! You're the ultimate raccoon. No chill.
Oh my gosh.
Danganronpa.
And you just got a game.
Oh,
There's more fans.
more fans to step on. Many fans.
This level's gonna play itself.
Oh god. My god.
Wait, what?
I'll make it a little easier, maybe.
Oh, this
This will make it a little
one.
easier. Not if you put ice on it.
Oh my god, this is an awful.
But if you end up on the wrong side, it's instant death. I like that. I like it.
That's so hard.
Sticky!
Oh my god, what are the odds?
Uh-huh. There goes our only hope of winning. Hang on.
No, Rosemi, we're gamers. Look at this.
You're right. Check this out. Oh my god. Oh
Check
my
this
god.
out, check this out.
It's-
Gamer.
I did not know that broke them.
Okay.
Oh,
You guys go
hockey.
straight for the hockey puck. Of course you guys win. What was that? My secret weapon, the bees that eat honey.
Maybe I'll break the wrecking ball.
Yeah, I would say so too. Oh wait, I forgot how evil this one was. Ooh.
I fell to my own
I'm-
trap.
There you go. How are you supposed to get over there now?
Oh, that hockey.
Completely blocked off. Wait, there's a oh.
Woo!
Oh, come on! No! That platform. That platform threw me off.
Shot in the butt again. My chosen champion.
It's your spirit animal.
My patronus?
Your Patronus?
Yeah. What's a patronus?
It's
Oh,
a
from
Harry
Harry
Potter
Potter.
thing.
Yeah. It's a what?
Harry Potter thing.
Oh.
Oh, the snipe! Yes!
I swear it looked like it.
Wait, how did that miss me?
That's what I'm saying. It looked like it totally hit you, but it went through.
Gaming.
Grr.
Trolling.
All I need is one more win.
Where could I put this?
From Jetpack Joyride. Wait, there's a hockey in there?
Yeah.
Wow, who put that in?
Not
Oh,
me.
Wait, how are you supposed to get past the punching thingy?
Oh.
What? That's not doing anything.
Why did you think that was gonna... No! I knew that was gonna happen!
It's not doing anything.
No!
I'm so happy. Oh my god.
My god.
Oh my god, I
I
sent
heard
you to the stratosphere with that.
Measure to this Red Bull.
Red Bull?
Red Bull?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Hello?
Oh, this part's a breeze now, though.
Yeah, at least we can finally play the game.
Oh, Ike.
Hey, get sniped! Get sniped!
Wait, how did it? Oh my god. Oh, we're
I
down
love
in
it
the same
here.
place. Oh. Wait, that thing's gonna kill everyone. Holy cow.
I'm jumping! I'm trying to stop!
Oh my gosh, that
Wait.
one trap killed everyone. Oh, you're still bouncing.
Do I not get points for that?
Even in
Do you?
death, still bouncing.
Oh, no winner, no points.
Did you guys just block it off?
No.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh my god, Ike!
What? I didn't do
I
anything.
saw you! I saw you!
I didn't do anything.
Alright, Rosamie.
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay, okay,
Oh, you
okay,
can just
okay.
jump above.
Oh,
I
you can
didn't
jump
realize.
over it?
Yes! It worked! It
I
worked!
did it the wrong way. Mm, what is that punching bag?
Punching bag? What?
Or punching thing?
Boxing glove?
Are you fucking kidding me? Ike Eveland! No, it's okay, it's okay. I know you. Ike Eveland!
I meant, like, if somebody were to grab some kind of item that would make it more difficult to beat the game, which I think some people did.